What's going on YouTube? So today is the day. I'm headed up to the shop, Crazy Town Customs, to put my Corsa Catback exhaust on my car. Now, if you've been following me on my last video, then you already seen my unboxing video. I have the full Catback exhaust system from Corsa Performance, and I got the gloss black tips, the 4-inch tips. Now, before we head to the shop, I have to put the exhaust system in the car, and that's the problem that I'm having. So I want to show y'all something real quick. Now, these two boxes are not fitting in the car. There's no way these two boxes fit in the car. So I have to take the exhaust out of these two boxes and put it in my car. Now, it's going to be even harder because I also have to put my wheels in the car too. So, I don't know how I'm gonna do it. I have to find a way to make it work, but basically I gotta put 4 wheels in the car and my exhaust system in the car as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to do that right now. I'm gonna try to put everything in the car and then we can head up to the shop. Okay, so that was a lot of work. I finally put everything in the car. I got the whole Catback system in the car. I got my 4 wheels in the car. You can see the wheels right there, some of the pipes. I got the tips. Got my clamps right here. Got the other tips under this rag right here. Got another wheel, some more pipes right there. More pipes back here. I got 2 sets of wheels back here, and then under this cover I got the X pipe under there as well. So that's 1, 2, 3 wheels in the front, 1 wheel in the trunk. Got all the pipes in there. Got my Nova stretch mask on and I'm ready to go. Let's do it. We're about to pull the car into the shop. Gotta take these wheels off. I got on ceramic coat in my tips right now. Time to put the exhaust on the car. I still got my wheel in here right now. Take these aftermarket exhausts off right here. And put that Corsa on, baby. So we got the car up on the lift right now. So everything up under here is completely stopped. All the way up into aftermarket right here.
Yeah. Over here.
I don't know what type of exhaust this is right here. If y'all can tell me what type of exhaust tips is on this car, I appreciate that, because I don't know what type of... When I bought the car, this is how they had it on the car. But we taking everything up under here off. Everything is coming off. so we got the old exhaust off right now.
Some type of valve or some shit.
That's what I think.
Got the Corsa Catback right here.
Stand back. Up or down or that way?
Shit, I already got my Class B. I got my Class B. Watch church and then let's see over grid CDL. And on the right, the CDL is really like a federal license. Pictures. Just do a birthday party in a phantom. Big shit. Yo, we got that covered. And you know, it's still like a clip. That's why we got that covered.
We're gonna start do a couple revs for us.
No, now we're attached to the engine.
Famous slick Camaro.
Okay, so my camera died on me yesterday at the shop. I'm back at the house now. It's a brand new day. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a quick startup video for y'all so y'all can hear how the exhaust sound. I also got my GoPro with me. I'm going to connect this to the back of the car so you can hear how the exhaust sound. I'm also going to do a couple drive-bys. I got my stand with me, and then you know, we can end the video like that. So let's go ahead and get right into it.